Hi, the figure below is made up of a square, a large semicircle, a small semicircle and two quarter circle. The length of each side of the square is 28 cm. Find the area of the shaded part, taking pi as 22/7. So let's take a look at the question itself. Okay, it make up of a square. So this is the square of side 28 cm. A large semicircle. This is the large semicircle. Okay, a small semicircle. This is a small semicircle. And the length and two quarter circle. So this is the quarter circle and this is the quarter circle. Okay, so let's look at how do we solve this type of question. So usually what we will do is we can see if we cut it into smaller parts so that we can find the area of each of the smaller shaded part and later on sum them together. Okay, this is one of the trick to use. Okay, so in this case, if we draw one horizontal and one vertical line cutting across directly at the center of the square, you can see that I have break the shaded part into three A, B, C. Okay, let's look at area A. Area A, if you look properly, is actually a semicircle of radius 7. Why is it radius 7? Because the side of the square is 28, which means that half of it is 14. So this is 14, this is 14, this is 14 as well. So which means that this is 14 and the radius has to be 7. Area B is a quarter circle with radius 14. Why? You look at it, this is a quarter circle and the radius is 14. Area C is this part. So what you need to do is you take a square of side 14 minus away a quarter circle of radius 14. You will left with the shaded part. Okay, so once we understand this part, it's become easier to solve. So area A is half times pi r square. The area of a circle is pi r square. So since you are doing a semicircle, so you multiply by half. You take pi as 22/7 as given by the question, and the radius is 7 square. So if you work this out using your calculator, you can get 77 centimeters square. Area B is actually quarter times pi r square. In this case, since this is a quarter circle, you multiply by 1/4 and you substitute in of, remember now the radius is 14. Okay, and you work it out, is 154 centimeters square. Area C, what we have was the square minus away the quarter circle. So the square, the side is 14 times 14. You minus away the quarter circle. Since we already calculated the quarter circle as 154, we can put it straight away here. So 14 times 14 is 196. You get 42 centimeters square. So the total shaded area is area A plus area B plus area C, which is 75 plus 154 plus 42. You get 273 centimeters square. Hope that's helped.